regulation bill, and I would just suggest respectfully to the Taoiseach that it might be useful to have a debate before the government makes up its mind so that we can inform you of our view of all of these matters. That strikes me as being a very democratic way to proceed. But on the minimum wage bill, the government has committed to introducing this, to establishing a body to examine the minimum wage bill and related matters. And there are in the region of 108,000 citizens currently earning the minimum legal wage, which is the grand sum of €8.65 per hour, and less if you're under 18. So could we have a progress report on where that is? Leda Hull, on the marriage equality bill, the Tadini ag fannach agus tá sé ratchanach go mé gahan duine madar leis an céis tabachtach seo. When can we expect this legislation? And will the government support the voter drive which is underway among the gay and lesbian community and others to ensure people are registered to vote in time? Will be introduced in the next term. Have the heads of bill been agreed by the Cabinet? And on the housing regulation bill, this was promised to provide a regulatory, as I understand it, framework for approved housing bodies, and that would be welcome given the housing problems that citizens are facing. So will it address this, and when can we expect it?
We can't discuss the detail. We have 2 minutes left on the order of business.
Yeah, well, you've already informed me in respect of Irish Water, Deputy Adams. You support those who pay, you support those who don't pay, and you support those who can't pay. So I know your view. It's all things to all people at all times. Secondly, the government yesterday gave authorisation for the Low Pay Commission, which will look at the question of wage regulations and wage levels. As you're aware, Deputy Adams, in the past this was a very haphazard structure. The Low Pay Commission will bring coherence to the advice that should be given in respect of wage structuring, and that was approved by Cabinet yesterday. We support fully the programme for having people encouraged to register and to see that they're registered to vote by November the 25th. I met with the young Fine Gael people of our own party this morning about that, who are launching their own campaign in support of this. So publicly I would say that everybody should check the register to see that they are registered to vote, so that when the bill is published early in the new year, and that when the date is fixed for the referendum to be held, they will be registered to cast their vote, in respect of whatever they wish to do. The housing regulation bill, Deputy Adams, is listed for next year.
Deputy Wallace is representing the